Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a message on Facebook while using the app on your PC, enabling notifications for messaging is essential. With the newest update, it's easier than ever to stay connected. Let's walk through the steps to turn on notifications for messaging on the Facebook app on your PC. First, open your Facebook app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the page. You will see the notifications icon. It looks like a bell. Click on that notifications icon to open the menu. Next, find and click on the three dots icon that appears near the notification list. This usually sits at the top right side within that notification drop-down menu. Clicking those three dots will open a small menu with various options related to your notifications. From this menu, select Notification Settings. This action will take you to the page where you can customize different notification preferences. Now, scroll down in the notifications settings until you find the messaging section. Click on Messaging to open its specific notification settings. Here, you will see an option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Make sure to toggle this option on. By enabling this, you will receive notifications whenever you get a new message through Facebook Messenger. Once you turn this setting on, your Facebook app will alert you instantly about incoming messages while you're on your PC. This can help you stay responsive and never miss important conversations, whether you're working, studying, or just keeping in touch. That's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled messaging notifications for Facebook on your PC with the latest update. Now you can communicate more effectively and stay updated without needing to check your messages constantly. Thanks for tuning in.